Dalam sobo jotto bayap sungno hanyo hai atukri kriaro tinini current affairs sessiono tinino chini channel ni video no puila nogui tongkhangke kisa bell icon chini subscribe khairidi tai like share bo khairidi o current affairs rok boro nangnai hingke bwskango phaitongnai TPSC ni ICDS Panchayat Executive Officer CDPO Excise TCS TPS rogo belakino nangnai o current affairs rok tai central ni exam rei tongnai rong bagui bo nangnai mo tai o current affairs ni PDF bo free rejago monthly PDF o mas ni hingke October ni 1 tarikh rejaknai ekloge tai light thangjak man rong nibo already rejak tongo chin telegram channel o norok chin telegram channel join khaye aro free PDF download khainai mano o video ni description o link rejak tongnai norok aro habai join khaimano phaidi hingke tinini first question nalainai tinini first question wngkha 51 number last session jora wngkha 50 number. Which state will be the host state of FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup 2022? Oro sengka bo state host khainan nai hinchungoro FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup 2022 ni. Chini light thangjak man rongni session rok naijak hingke saiman nai o FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup omo India o ongna nayo. Tai bo state ongna nai hinchung o jaga hingke omni right answer wngkha D all of the above. O kaitam state Odisha, Goa, Maharashtra. O kaitam state no ngai o Women's World Cup. Next question. The 6th edition of Excise GMAX 22 between India and which country has started in the Bay of Bengal? 6th edition Excise GMAX exercise ni mungka GMAX 22 India by bo country chengka ni sungoro omo bujagangi tongke Bay of Bengal omni right answer wngkha B Japan. Next question. Who will be appointed as the next Attorney General of India? Sabno appoint khaijangna hinchaworo next Attorney General of India omni right answer wngkha A Mukul Rohatgi. Next question. Recently the Chief Minister of which state has launched the Resident Safety and Security Portal? Recently wo po state ni Chief Minister launch khaike hini singoro Resident Safety tai Security Portal omni right answer wngkha C Meghalaya ni Chief Minister launch khairikamo. Next question. In which year will India host the G20 summit? India bo year o G20 summit khainan naitung hinchaworo omni right answer wngkha C 2023 wo host khainai India G20 summit. Next question. In which country has Industry Minister Piyush Goyal launched the Setu program recently? Bo country wo Industry Minister Central ni Piyush Goyal launch khairikha Setu program omni right answer wngkha B USA o launch khairikhamo. Bo minister launch khaikya abo muitunardi Union Industry Minister Piyush Goyal. Next question. What is the rank of India in Digital Quality of Life Index 2021? India ni rank bwsakni sungoro Digital Quality of Life 2021 ni rank no tabuk 2022 ongkhoromo omni right answer wngkha D 59 o India oro top khaikya Denmark. Kam ke simalia mudunar dinro Denmark je top khani country aboni mungbo mudunar nango exam of phayo. Next question. Vedanta Foxconn have tied up with which state to set up a semiconductor unit? Semiconductor unit set up khainin bagai Vedanta Foxconn company bo state by agreement khaikan chaworo omni right answer wngkha C Gujarat by deal khaikya agreement. Next question. Recently, William Ruto has served as president of which country? Recently, William Ruto was shopot as a president bo country ni hinchungoro omni right answer wngkha C Kenya. Exam rogo phayo omo kun kaisa country ni president rok katal wngkhangke omorok TPSC ni exam rogo belai khani important. Next question. Which state government has announced to launch CDPO program in schools? bo state government announce khaikyan choro launch khainan bagai sirpi program school o omo school ni kaisa scheme omni right answer wngkha di Tamil Nadu ni school rogo o program no launch khaijangnai asung nangkha tini ni current affair session joto bayap sungna belai kheno hambai khalogui naitongmani bagai om haite bo current affairs ni video rok manani bagai tin channel bai kerengui tongdi kisa bell icon chini subscribe khai tondi tai like share bo khai.